Hey guys, XJ here. So today we'll do the 5-minute review on the Fanatec BMW M3 GT2 steering wheel. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's talk about the construction on this Fanatec BMW M3 GT2 steering wheel. It's a mouthful, isn't it? The first thing you're going to notice, this is very weighty. Okay, this is a heavy, well-built, well-constructed unit. Faceplate is a type of metal that's on here. It's kind of a roughed-up gun metal, if you would, as far as for the main plate on the unit. You've got the backing that is plastic that it's mounted to, but for the most part, this entire wheel construction is a metal base, and you can tell that by the weight alone. All right, it does have obviously the quick release. Okay, again, let's be careful with the pins there when you mount this unit. A lot of people have problems with that because they don't take care of the pins when mounting. The paddle shifters, they're large enough. I'll say pretty standard, right? Have a nice sound to them. You can hear. You don't need the upgraded magnetic shifters. I'm pretty sure they would go on here, but you don't need it. It's fine. These work great. Okay, no complaints at all. Again, when your headphones are on, it's probably not going to matter, and the main thing is feel, and you can feel when it engages. As far as the wheel material in and of itself, again, Alcantara. So great feeling wheel. All right, love how the Alcantara feels in the hand. The only thing it is, again, it's subject to sweat and oil from your hands, so you want to be careful with this material and keep it clean. What I recommend is either one of two things: wearing gloves when you're using it, or invest in a nice little round brush. Okay, get a little bit of water. As far as on the brush in and of itself, doesn't have to be just completely wet, guys. A little bit of water in order to do gentle circles on the material. That will bring up the dust and dirt from the to the top of the surface. You can wipe that off with a terry cloth, damp terry cloth towel, and then dry it off again with a terry cloth towel that's dry, and get rid of that out there, and then take the brush that's dry and brush the material back out. That'll keep it all nice and clean for you if you cannot use gloves or just don't like using gloves. Okay, but great material. As far as it does have the nice BMW logo right there in the middle. If you're a fan of BMW, which I am, so it's nice to have that there. Definitely quality built unit, guys. Okay, no doubt. It does have a readout here. You can program this through the Fanalabs to tell you a number of things, be it speed, gear change, what lap it is, RPMs, etc., etc. You've also got down here at the bottom, you can see this row of rev lights, RPM lights if you would. Also, those are programmable to the color and what you want to use it for through the Fanalabs software. So it's a nice touch. But in all honesty, it's probably overkill. If you're using VR, it definitely doesn't matter. And for the most part, if you've got it mounted and you're racing, you're looking there and not looking down at the wheel. So I'm not a huge fan of these type of units on wheels. I don't really see the benefit of them. So let's talk about the buttons as far as on the wheel in and of itself. Now, you'll get 5 across the top. You'll get 2, 4, 6 on the bottom. You've also got the essentially joystick here, and then you've got the awesome Fanatec funky switch. This is the funky switch that goes up, down, right, left. You can also press it in, and it has a rotary switch on it. I don't know if you can hear that or not. This button is worth its weight in gold, guys, as far as for Fanatec. I'll give them multiple thumbs up for that one. The buttons, hopefully you can hear that. They have a great feel to them, very responsive. You can also, as you see, replace the button caps and customize those if you like, which I strongly recommend too. As far as the layout, this wheel is large, okay? So for most of us on most other wheels, especially if it's Thrustmaster, even some of the other Fanatec oval wheels, the Logitechs, things of that nature, you know, they're kind of compact and easy to reach the buttons. This one is a bit of a stretch, guys. I'm not going to lie. So if you're looking for a large wheel and you have large hands, guys, this is perfect for you, okay? Perfect. If you got small hands and you can't really extend your thumbs, you're gonna have a hard time reaching just the first button, which is probably set for radio so that you can fuss at people on the track when they're doing things they're not supposed to be doing. Not that I do that. Anyway, keep that in mind. Other than that, it's a great wheel. Very weighted, very heavy. There's no force feedback in this wheel. I'm pretty sure that's correct. Let me check that. I'll put something at the bottom. But if you're looking for a nice oval wheel that you can use for GT, that you can use for oval racing, guys, this is the one. But you can use this wheel in anything and be just completely happy racing it. Strongly recommended. Quick release is easy. Okay, again, just line up the groove, center wheel to the top. Once you feel it go in the groove, release, push forward, let it snap. It's there, no problems whatsoever. Okay. And again, quick release is key for me if you're going to switch out wheels while you're racing. You want it quick and easy. This is a true quick release. Okay, I do recommend it. You can get away with lesser. There's no doubt. You don't have to have the one with the BMW logo on it. But if you like this type of thing with the BMW logo on it, has plenty of buttons as far as programmability with what you're going to race, man, go out and grab this one. Great wheel from Fanatec. If this video helped you, consider hitting that thumbs up button below. I would greatly appreciate it, and it definitely helps out the channel. If you'd like more information, you can hit the subscribe button along with the little bell icon. That way you're notified anytime I upload additional content. Till next time, this is XJ. We'll see you on the track.